Hello, welcome back. So today I'm gonna build the Valentine's Day box. The box looks so pretty. So it's a heart-shaped box with Lego chocolates inside. Look at all those chocolates. They look so delicious, but you can't eat them because it's plastic. So there are quite a lot of packages. So guidebook number 1 and 2. So we have 2 guidebooks and 3 packages inside. So let's open number 1 first. So, number 1, I guess, we're probably going to make the heart-shaped box, because all the pieces are red. So I suppose we're gonna make the box. So Valentine's Day is gonna be this week, Friday. So it's just few days left, just a little bit left. Anyway, package number 1 is going to be the box, and number 2 is gonna be the lid to cover the box. And number 3, we're gonna make the chocolates. The chocolates look so realistic. They actually look like real chocolate, but you can't eat them. So it's kind of sad, because after you make this set, you really wanna eat chocolate because it looks so realistic. So let's continue building the box. So this is the lid, and we're gonna make ribbons, pretty ribbons. They're gonna be so cute. So we have white lines, and now we're gonna make the white ribbon. The ribbon is so pretty. We also have a little bit of transparent pieces, so it's a cute white ribbon. And we're gonna put this on top of the lid, and the Valentine's Day box is gonna be finished. So let's put the ribbon here, and then let's put it on top of the box. So this is how it looks like. It looks so pretty. It looks so fantastic. So now we're up to bag number 3. So we have to make a little stand for the Valentine's Day box. And then after that, we're gonna make chocolates. Lots of transparent colors I see, and then we have lots of flowers as well, so it's very naturey stand. It's very pretty. So many flowers. Oh, look at those purple flowers. They're so pretty. And then more transparent pieces, and we're gonna put a little yellow flower here and a big flower. So we're gonna make a big flower here. A big purple flower, lots of purple leaves. And in the middle, it's gonna be yellow. So it's a big purple and yellow flower. And we also have another mint color flower that's also very unique. So the stand is finished. It looks like this. And we can put the box on top of it like this. It looks pretty, right? Oh, it looks fantastic. So now we're gonna make chocolates. So a little bit of peanut butter maybe, and some chocolates, and like chocolate chips on top. Oh, they look so delicious. So we're gonna make 2 of these. I think those are like peanut butter, right? Anyway, we have some peanut butter and, like chocolate things, chocolate things and more chocolate chips. So these are the same chocolates. So 2 same chocolates and some more peanut butter and dark chocolate and like pistachio flavor, I suppose. So it's peanut butter, dark chocolate, and pistachio flavor. And this is, what flavor is this? Like a little heart-shaped chocolate. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. I love those twisted chocolates. They look so cool. And this is the biggest one. It's very long. Oh, it's the longest. The longest is the best one, because there are lots of chocolates. So more chocolates And I forgot to put this transparent color earlier, so that's why it was a little bit wobbly. So now let's place all these chocolates inside this box. Oh, it looks so delicious. Oh, my mouth is watering. Look at that. Anyway, now let's put the lid on the top, and you can give it to someone like this. So let's put the stand. So this is how it looks like. It looks fantastic, right? So you can also open this and take the Lego chocolates out and put like a little letters, or maybe actual chocolate, or like small presents. So you can also give those sort of things. So this is the end of the video, and happy Valentine's Day!